Killing it. Unleashing success in English. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today we're diving into a phrase that's as lively as it is popular, killing it. Often heard in casual conversations and across social media, this expression can be quite confusing, especially if English isn't your first language. Fear not, because by the end of this video, you'll be killing it with your understanding of this common English idiom. The phrase, killing it, is an idiom used to describe doing something exceptionally well. When someone says you're killing it, they don't mean anything harmful. On the contrary, they're paying you a compliment. It means you're performing at a high level or succeeding in a particular activity. Interestingly, this phrase can apply to various contexts. Whether you're acing a test, excelling in your career, or just rocking a great outfit. While it's hard to trace the exact origin of most idioms, killing it likely comes from the idea of killing a performance, in the sense of doing it so well that no one could possibly do better. This term is commonly used in show business and has crossed over into everyday language to describe any outstanding performance or success. Let's get practical and see how to use killing it in everyday speech. Here are a few examples. 1. Did you see her presentation? She was killing it. 2. I've been killing it at the gym recently. I feel stronger than ever. 3. Your new blog is amazing. You're really killing it with your posts. Remember, it's typically used in informal settings, so you wouldn't want to use this phrase in a formal business report or academic paper. It's important to understand the cultural context of idiomatic expressions. Killing it has positive connotations and reflects a cultural emphasis on achievement and success. It's a phrase that encapsulates the energy and praise of a moment, and it's often shared among peers to encourage or congratulate each other. Like many idioms, killing it can be modified for emphasis or to suit the context. You're totally killing it, adding totally for extra emphasis. He's been killing it all season, indicating consistent performance over time. She'll kill it at the interview, used to predict future success. That's a wrap on our exploration of killing it. Now you can confidently understand and use this expression to compliment others or to acknowledge your own hard work and achievements. Congratulations on adding another phrase to your English repertoire. I'd say you're absolutely killing it with your learning. Until next time, keep practicing and stay curious.